He made 1.5 million naira profits in palm oil sales, but still couldn't pay his rent. Why? Because profit is not cash. This was a real conversation I had with a young man who had started business in palm oil. Now, he was so excited, rightly so. In 4 months, he made 1.5 million naira in sales, but when it was time to pay the rent, he didn't have the money. He felt ashamed and he said, I don't understand. I've been working non-stop, I've been working hard, and I've been making sales. So where did all the money go? The answer? He never separated business cash flow from actual profits. Everything went into one account. He was spending from the same pot he was selling from, and slowly leaking money he thought he had. The conversation hit me hard because so many people are hustling, bustling, selling products, moving products, but are still broke. Now, not because the business is not working, but because the financial structure for that business is missing. The truth is, cash flow is not profits. Sales, having many sales does not equal stability. You can have many sales but still be broke, but still be poor. If you are not tracking, separating, and allocating your monies properly, then you are just cycling money. You are not building wealth. Let me tell you 3-part structure I shared with him and now I'm sharing with you. Pay yourself a fixed amount. Yes, pay yourself a salary. Just because you made 500k this month, or you made 1 million naira this month, or you made 2 million naira this month, does not mean you start living like 2 million naira. You get it? Please separate your business and your personal accounts. You cannot manage what you mix. There is no way the monies are going to get mixed up and you become confused. I want you to track 3 numbers regularly. Be obsessed about it. And these numbers are your revenue, your retained profits, and your expenses. If you don't track them, then you are only guessing your growth. It means you will not have an exact figure of what you are actually making as profits. Serious about turning your hustle into real sustainable income, then send me a comment or DM so that I can send you my passive income starter kit. It will walk you through how to scale your money without leaks.